Hey friends, this is Monica from Honeyboo Designs taking you behind the scenes to show you how I turned Real Bad Gal Riri into a vector portrait. So if you haven't already, you need to go check out at Real Bad Gal Riri's Instagram. She is so cute and always has like the most fashionable like bandanas and pictures, so you gotta go follow her on Instagram. But yeah, I just wanted to, so this is at 2x speed. I just wanted to show you my process of how I start with the image here of Real Bad Gal Riri in the corner that I'm kind of using as reference to create this vector portrait. So if you haven't checked it out already, our website is now featuring our new vector portrait style. So previously I had kind of more of a graphite traditional medium style. Now I have kind of turned to this vector style because what you can do with the vectors is so amazing. You can resize them, and because they're not created from pixels, they won't blur. So you can make them as big as you want. You can use them as digital stickers. You can accessorize them and put props on them and things in Canva, which if you look at my channel, I have lots of videos showing how you can do that. And you can also make them into print products straight from Canva. So be sure to check out my other videos to see how you can do that. But yeah, I really loved drawing. So this was actually several months ago, so I'm just uploading. I'm catching up on some of the artwork that I created for, this was for Halloween. We had several winners as part of a team for Team T'Challa. They won our giveaway contest, and I was going to create each of the team members, and then I had everyone choose a theme that they liked, so that I put each of their portraits into a like a piece of art with the theme that they chose. So the theme that they chose, you'll have to go to my Instagram to see it. It's really cute. They decided on the Disney Hocus Pocus movie as their theme, which I thought was super cute. And so I got to draw Riri and all of her friends, including T'Challa and Domino and others, as the witches from Hocus Pocus. And also, yeah, the other characters in that movie. And it was just a fun theme that they chose. So you'll have to go check out the final product for that Halloween Hocus Pocus theme in my Instagram, on my Instagram profile. But yeah, super fun. So I was just taking a quick break, but I'm back to, we'll hopefully be starting contests up again soon. I just had a giveaway. We had a fun giveaway just last month, I think. And so someone was able to win a free vector portrait of their cat. So that's really fun, and I'll be back to doing contests monthly so that you have a chance to win your own custom portrait as well. But yeah, the fun thing about these portraits is that a lot of people like to use them on their Instagram, like you can use them as a profile picture, or even if you want to just use it as like a sticker in your stories. There's so many things you can do with it just digitally, but you can also use it for, like I mentioned before, print products as well. So they are just personal license. So if you want to get like a commercial license, you'd have to pay a little bit more so that you could put this portrait like on products that you would plan to sell for like a profit. But yeah, there's so many possibilities and so many ways you can like customize and accessorize and put props on your pet. So again, just be on the lookout for my Instagram stories for announcements for contests and giveaways. Or you can go to honeyboodesigns.com whenever you want and order your own custom vector pet. Also, if you're just interested in my process to kind of know how you can create your own art in Procreate, so Procreate is the name of the program that I use on the iPad, then yeah, definitely let me know in the comments like what types of questions you have about getting started in digital art and about Procreate in general. I'm using the iPad Air with the Apple Pencil. I think it's a second generation Apple Pencil. It works really well for me. So if you have any questions about that too, I will put in the description my link to Skillshare. It's this platform that you can use to take as many courses as you want from other creators and professionals and experts on basically anything from like sewing to digital art to marketing, things like that. So I'll include that in the link as well if you're interested in learning how to do this yourself as well. But yeah, thanks for sticking around and watching all of my process. We're just putting in the final touches here and just enjoying this BTS with Honey. She's sitting right here at my feet, being very, very cute as always. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I will put at the very end the final product so you guys can see how it all turned out with Real Bad Gal Riri. And again, be sure to check out my Instagram to see the full product with full final product, I guess, with the Halloween theme. And here she is, so cute. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure to hit the subscribe button if you'd like to see more.